Hi all, I will present to you Advanced Trigonometry Calculator, one of the best softwares for calculate math expressions. I have started Advanced Trigonometry Calculator development at March of 2011, and we are almost counting off with 7 years of development. ATC counts with about almost 15,000 lines of code written by my hands. I will show some parts of advanced trigonometry calculator. I hope you like it. Advanced Trigonometry Calculator is a Portuguese advanced calculator. I will show you the page of Advanced Trigonometry Calculator in Facebook, and we can look at some types of discussion about users. We have at this moment 297 likes. It's a Portuguese product. I'm joking not, but it's true. My application is a development by a Portuguese, yes, but I belong. I'm a Portuguese nobility. I descend of high Portuguese nobility about Dom Martin de Freitas. It's spectacular that I descend of people very important. Is the braço direito of Dom Afonso Henriques. It's the best friend, the best man that helps Dom Afonso Henriques to found and create a Portuguese nation. My surname as Freitas, as almost 9 how I say séculos. Let me see. Let me see. No problem. You see about things of little Portuguese. I'm not looking for séculos. Okay, centuries is that 9 centuries of history, my plate, and I have the chromosome Y. It's very cool. But well, in SourceForge we can look for advanced trigonometry calculator. We can see some screenshots. We started. Talk. Solving equation system. Calendar. Nice calendar. Aqui, there, a very cool example of the use of the application. The intro design with advanced trigonometry calculator. In this case, version 1.9.1. We can see that is developed by me, Renato Santos Freitas. I ask for donates, but never donates for me. The project is free, but I ask for someone give some money to help me, but no one's does it. But why? This is the package image of the application. We come back. In other ways, we come to advanced trigonometry calculator. We can use it. If you want to call user guide, we just need to type. User guide comes. User guide has 32 pages. It's very long and describe very well the application use, and you know about reading this user guide. You will know how that you need to use ATC. No problem. The features are there. You can see the overview. Advanced Trigonometry Calculator is a rock solid calculator, allowing you to perform advanced complex math calculations. You enter your complex math expression on its integrity, and in final pressing enter button. After some instance, the solution for your expression will be displayed. Well, in other words, you can use application like use TI-84 plus. I have developed the same syntax and simple syntax, and anyone you want to do a simple sum or simple multiplication, we you just need to use the simple syntax. We can look about it. First, we can look for the current settings. This feature were able were this feature were able were available in last release 1.9.1. This cool feature is describes the settings that are currently in the application configured, and we can change if you want, if we want. Colors, for example, we change. Now I want bright white, and I want blue. Let's start. Now for example, I want mode this degree. Okay, now I can see current settings, and I will face these modifications: degree, disable, and enable to. Okay, colors again, F2, green now, mode, radian. Now we can clean the environment, and now we will calculate sine of pi divided by 6, that is 0.5. In other words, we can change about that, but we can force, and we have configured trigonometry functions to be in radians, but we can force to be in degrees if you want. Now we will change. Now we will display the correct settings. Yeah, and now why not disabled? We can enable numerical systems. Yeah, enable it. Now let's think about enter something and enjoy. You have the response, the answer, the response in binary, octal, and hexadecimal. We can also prefix as prefix. We can enjoy it. For example, 1001 power 9 with scientific notation. We can see the value in binary, octal, hexadecimal, and giga of SC prefix. It's very cool. We can also activate the total time response that gives to us the current time when after the calculations. It's very cool. Tangent of 30. Yeah. What's the problem? The problem is this one. We will try now. Yeah, that's the problem. Current settings. We can change. We can look at now for current settings. Well, degree enabled for a numerical system response, enabled for a prefix response, enabled for a total time response. It's very cool, no? Colors, text is green, background is bright white. The window, the dimensions. We can change the dimensions. Sometimes we can think that it is too big, but no. Let me see one thing. Okay, it's very space. Dimensions. We can change it. 170. No, it's not that what I want to do. Okay, we will change the again dimensions. Only 80. 100 and but yes. Okay, let's try again to expand this 91 and 200. It's more. My screen of my computer is very big. 9 not in more and more. 9. I'm not yet okay, I think that this was no, it's too much. Okay, very well. We have a screen for advanced Trigonometry Calculator, and now we will play about it. Now we will enjoy a little of clock. Look for the design. It's just 30 seconds. We can wait or not. Well, next, I will present you the calendar and, for example, the stopwatch. It's very cool because you can manage your time and you see your experience. It's very cool because you need to put your work to do. You need to know how much time you use for some events, and you can change. You can manage them. For example, you want the calendar that is now. We are in 2017, but for example, I burst in 1991. So, if I want to know the calendar of my year, there it is. For example, now I want to say I want the day of week that I was born. I was born. I was born. Sorry, I'm Portuguese. Sometimes my English is not so good. Day of week. D 6M7 year. I was born in a Saturday, but okay, that is. Now, if we are some stupid, you can enjoy a little. Yeah, you can do it with the advanced Trigonometry Calculator. Let's say, okay. If we add a million for my date of birth, we'll get this year 4,729 year. It's incredible, and then we can do the reverse work, and we will see that we get the right answer. It's incredible, but I have developed these algorithms very well. Now we can say 6. Okay, let me start. That is B. Yeah. Whoops. Okay. I think that some position. That's the problem. Okay. Thursday. Okay. We see a defect, but okay. We can use less days. I think that some region. Now we put there, for example, 2000. Now, and we can go now for the reverse. It's funny, but I'm curious why that problem appears. That is 2008 2000 2000. Tomem. Estou. Não, já te vou buscar. Espera só um bocadinho. Está bem? Estou aqui a fazer uma coisa. Depois já vou. Vá. Não te preocupes. Até já. Beijinho. Vá, até já. Vá, beijinho. Gosto muito de ti. Vá, até já. Até já. But, well, I need to go. Let me see. Okay. I was talking about stopwatch. It's my mom. We all mark 7 times. Who can enjoy? Press enter to mark time. Ta, 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 ta. And we play about waiting some time. Yeah! Make time. Okay. Nice. Now I will go to the guide to look for some ideas to show you. Okay, okay, sorry. That's my problem. I will check. Now let me see what I can show to you. The note. Let me say features. Let me see one thing. Okay, I know what I will show you. I will show one thing. My computer is very advanced. I spend 1,200 euros in last year, 2016. I invest my money and I get my how I say I beneficiate of that. If you can change, you can solve an equation system with complex numbers. It's very cool and amazing. Decimal places, hexadecimal places, octal places. But what I want to show you is this one. Solve equation. You'll see that. We turn a bit. Okay, there now is very big. Okay, we push to up. Now we clean the environment of Advanced Trigonometry Calculator. Clean. Now, and we can look for the expression. 1, 44, 6, 5, 6, 3, 0, 9, 8, minus 1, 0, 8, 6, 1, minus 1, 2, 4, 1, 2, 6, minus 1. This minus is negative symbol. 1, 2, 8, 1, 3, 1, 6, 4, 4, 4, 1, 2, 0, 8, 5, 6, 8, 6, 2 zeros. Okay, let we solve it. Advanced Trigonometry Calculator. Are you ready? Yes, I am. Okay. Solve it. Advanced Trigonometry Calculator. Let me see what's the time. Minus 10. Let you look. I'm waiting. What's the problem now? It's losing every time. I hope know what happens. Let me start again. It's very tight. Too much. We can reset all. I don't know what's the problem, but we can to check if that's problem along with this. Okay. Okay, it's solving. Okay, it's possible that some problem or to because this push about it requires some processing and waste use some time. We can look in my PC of use and the use of CPU when solving. We can see 5%. And you can say my computer is powerful. Okay, we exit. Okay, it was fine show it to you this. Hope you like it, and don't forget, use advanced trigonometry calculator. You will like it. Okay, it's open source calculator. You can see the source code, and I hope you enjoy it. Stay okay. Enjoy. Look for the advanced trigonometry calculator in Facebook. Search for. Uh, Stay tuned to latest release and latest updates to the software. Stay okay. Have a nice day.